You would have seen my earlier video where I have given a walkthrough of Liquid UI for the travel industry, helping people to book their travel tickets and plan the entire itineraries, figure out how do they go about the resort booking and all. Today I'm creating something using the Liquid UI concept for the insurance space. We see insurance is one of the most critical industry, and at the same time one of the most underpenetrated industry because of one need of a lot of consultative approach, and two, lack of proper matchmaking that's happening on ground. There are many great platforms already, and this is just a way of us putting out together a possible user experience for the Liquid UI being used in the insurance space. The UI would look very similar to what it was traditionally, which is you have landing page, a banner, different schemes being shown, top selling plans, even testimonials or any vlogs or videos that one would want to showcase. The key difference, however, starts from the point that this platform now has like a digital soul which can engage with the customers whenever they are conversing with it. So we are moving away from just a browse and buy experience to explore, converse, recommend and act experience. Now let's say if the person just says I need a comparison of different plans, the system firstly starts showcasing the recommendations and also tries assessing what could be the needs of the person by asking him or her few questions around it, and get the details so that it can better provide it. So it is very conversational, at the same time visual as well, because conversation alone isn't sufficient. You need visual cues for ease of information capture. Now let's say if the user has updated all the details and just submits it off, then the best part is the system itself narrows down what could be suitable things, and the prompts also get updated, suggestive prompts, and even the user prompt now gets updated. So now that I have all the details, the information that was put in by the user is getting captured or showcased is, and the user prompt is also updated, and the options showcased are also updated accordingly. Now the user can just click on this, they can get to see all the details, they can schedule a call with someone if they need be get click once they get this, which is them trying to buy the insurance directly. The best part is it is showing all the documents that are needed along with the sample imagery, so that it is easy for the user to know what is to be uploaded. Now let's say if the user uploads everything directly, the system one, it has again updated the prompt saying he or she is keen on buying this particular insurance, and they thanking them for providing the details, and more importantly giving a tracking ID and by when it would be processed. So this is how the buying journey as such changes. But the biggest thing for any insurance is the claims. So how, and it is also very difficult, because when you're claiming, let's say if it is for a term insurance, then the person who is claiming per se is grieving the loss of a loved one, and all. So how do you go about it, and how can we simplify it was the other aspect. Now let's check that flow once. So let's say I just the nominee comes up and says I need to check this, assuming they are logged in. The system retrieves the information saying you have these policies on yourself, and you have one term insurance whether you are a nominee, and the user selects which one that they are talking of, plan of this person, and that's because they are saying they are claiming for it, and the system firstly shows empathy of the loss of the person, and it starts helping them out and asks them to upload few details of the nominee as well as the insured person, and once they upload the documents and the details, the system checks it immediately and is able to say, give the feedback, and give the probability of the claim being processed. This is very much helpful because now they are able to know what is getting processed, or what is the probability and what is the issue. Now that it has asked for the things, let's say there are two scenarios wherein the user doesn't have the documents to upload, or has the documents to upload and continues. So let's say if they have uploaded the documents and moved forward, then it is creating another tracking ID for the claims, and the revised probability is also showcased over here, so that it becomes easy for the person to get that instant feedback. In the other case, it will just say the percentage will remain the same, and the processing is again initiated and the tracking ID is provided, and so that way the number of steps, the number of documents and everything will get simplified, and becomes much easier. uh, this is how we think liquid UI as concept and a digital soul for insurance companies or policy providers can help the people looking for insurance, or looking to claim the insurance, can take advantage of. Would love to hear feedback from people around. Thank you.